Yo, 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 what's up, my guys? Hope you guys had an amazing Valentine's Day. If you guys were celebrating with your significant other, hope you guys spent the money, enjoyed, got a little bit of play, whether guy or girl, you feel me? Doesn't matter, you guys could all get it on. But, this is how I ended up losing my trade and we created, oh no, we didn't create all-time highs. Wait, did we? Yeah, we did. This is how I ended up losing my trade on Friday, Valentine's Day. Hard to shout it even more. But so I lost my trade coming into today, and what I could learn from it. So let's go over it. I just took it on nasdaq. Um, Unfortunately, ES wasn't looking very good, but yeah. Start off with the daily. Disrespected this daily. I mean, disrespected this whatchamacallit, bearish order block right here, but I didn't even really notice that coming into today. I mean, coming into yesterday, I wasn't really looking at the daily, but now looking at it, like in hindsight, we disrespected it on Thursday, so it's kind of not kind of simple, but it's kind of knowingful that we were gonna want to come out and take out these highs coming into Friday, which I should have looked at, and honestly, that was my fault for even doing such a thing right here. Well, let me just draw the line. Yeah, that was even my fault for even just doing such a thing. I mean, we ended up coming back into them, and then we ended up continuing down, and then I guess when we disrespected it, coming above here, I guess I should have knew we were gonna come for these highs, but that was my fault for not looking at the daily. But I was looking at the 4 hour mostly. 4 hour was really what I'd have my buy set off of. We were very, very, very very overextended from the couple previous days coming into today, creating multiple imbalances. In particular, we had this one 4 hour imbalance right here that I wanted to see tapped into before we continued going up higher. It was instantly bullish. We had this imbalance right here that I wanted to see get taken out. Not taken out, but at least filled somewhat. Um, and this lower right here would have been my final take profit. Although I was really looking forward to these data lows getting taken out because I'm not gonna lie, these videos are actually kind of crazy. Shout out more trades. Okay. So coming into yesterday, we had core retail sales and retail sales. That was my data low at 8:30. I wanted to see that get taken out as well before we continued higher. Overall, it was bullish. My thought process going into this was I wanted to fill in all the imbalances. Well, not all the imbalances, but the most recent imbalances that we didn't fill out. Take out data lows and take out previous London lows while filling in this 4 hour imbalance from previous day, from previous true day, which was Thursday, and then continued up higher to continue to take out those highs. That was my thought process into it. Although looking at the daily, and I saw that bearish order block get disrespected and turned into a bullish breaker block. I should have knew that. Okay, we disrespected this bearish order block. We ended up shifting market structure completely, and it looks like we're coming for these highs. That was honestly, that in my opinion, looking in now in hindsight, was the most obvious draw on liquidity for like daily. Um, but yeah, I mean, you live and you learn. Pretty unfortunate. Oh, hold up. Pause. Okay, pretty unfortunate, but I mean, at the end of the day, um, we're here to learn and get better. But yeah, this was my obvious. This was my whole daily bias. I want to see price tap into this 4 hour, um, 4 hour imbalance. Come out, take out these London session lows while filling in this hourly imbalance. From there, continuing to take out data lows, yada yada, etc. Continue up higher to take out previous all-time highs. So we also had in the 1 hour as well. I also try to base my trade off the 1 hour as well. We also had this imbalance right here. Where is it at? This right here that I wanted to see get filled. I mean, we did fill it. We also filled the 4 hour in the 1 hourly, in the hourly, which is a core reason why price didn't come back down. But I did want to see price get fill, want to fill more orders in these ranges. So that was my bias honestly coming into today. Um, So coming in, I tried to use standard deviation again. I'm gonna have to retouch up my knowledge on that. Ended up taking out London session highs. Price was very, very bullish coming into today. We ended up disrespecting all bearish order flow. Ended up creating data lows right here. Hello. From core retail sales, and this was honestly one of my first take profits right here. And what do we call it? Ended up completely respecting bullish order flow. We ended up making this 5-hour fair value gap, not 5-hour, but 5-minute fair value gap right here. Hold on, let me just, there you go. Okay. Okay. Let me stop. Okay. Ended up making this 5-hour fair value gap right here. Ended up getting a bullish confirmation out of that. From there, ended up making this I mean, I guess you can count this 5-minute order block as well. 5-minute bullish order block as well as the fair value gap right here. Got both buying pressures out of that, and continued to get bullish price respected. Um, Looking at it now in hindsight, I did see these get formed. I should have changed my bias, but coming in, I really, which was my mistake. I shouldn't have been married to my bias. I knew, well, not now. I didn't knew, but now I should have known that like I needed to like this was my first time actually being married to my bias. So I think now it's time I need to cut that out. Whatever I see given to me, and I see all my bearishness get disrespected, I'm gonna need to start adjusting my sight into the actual markets to what I'm getting instead of what I want favor from the markets, because the markets are going to do whatever the hell it wants. Just us to just be like, just look at this, see what's getting respected, see what's not getting respected, make our decision based off of that, and obviously with higher probability with the confluences, and just take the trade from there. But coming in, here's my thought process. I ended up seeing London highs get taken out. Not this one, however, this was my stop loss. We saw this London high get taken out. From there, I was waiting for a 5-minute displacement, and we ended up getting this 5-minute displacement right here. We ended up making this 5-minute fair value gap, not this bearish, bullish one right here that we ended up getting confirmation from. We ended up getting this 5-minute fair value gap right here that we ended up invalidating, however, not breaking structure, which you're gonna see later on, kind of messed me up. Ended up creating relatively equal lows right here that I was like, okay, we're gonna want to take this out sooner or later. But coming into today, okay, pause. But coming into this, we ended up inversing this 5-minute imbalance, and from there, me personally, I scaled down. Although I should have waited for a 5-minute breaker structure as well, and precisely ended up getting a 5-minute SMT, and I should have also waited for more bearish confirmation on the 15-minute as well. It was looking quite bullish. It was just looking like really heavy retraces on the 15-minute, which was honestly my fault. From there, my thought process looking into the 1-minute, looking for some daily, not daily, but 1-minute continuation off my 5-minute PD array, which was the inverse fair value gap. From there, we made a 1-minute imbalance right here. I used standard deviation after right here. We swept the internal liquidity right here. Ended up creating the manipulation, and then from there we broke structure right around here. So I was also waiting for a 1-minute continuation. We ended up getting a 1-minute imbalance right here. We ended up getting filled, and then ended up shorting right after we got that bullish candle closure, which again was my fault in hindsight. I ended up getting filled like down here somewhere. From there, instant drawdown. Take profit 1 and 2 was honestly, oh, hold on. Okay, right here. Let's see. I marked on my breaker structure somewhere. It was right here. Yeah, this was my break. Okay. Okay. Take profit 1 and 2 was honestly based off of data lows, which was honestly near to 2.5 to 2.5 area, which I wanted price to come and seek out. And honestly, we were pretty close to seeking out, but not quite. Let's see. We were 3 ticks away from entering the 2 range, and we were 16 ticks away from entering, clearing out data lows. So first take profit was data lows from the news, and then second take profit was these London session lows that I wanted to see get taken out before we could take it up higher. Therefore, filling in my one 4 hour imbalance and 1 hour imbalance again to continue more order before taking out. And that was honestly my whole thought process coming into today. And now, what are my mistakes? Firstly, we did not break 5 minute structure at all until I was like way deep in this trade. I entered this trade around 10:20. We ended up breaking structure, 5 minute structure, and ended up reversing crazy at legit 10:40. 20 minutes later, we ended up breaking 5 minute structure. That's mistake number one. I shouldn't have done that. I should have waited for more continuation confluences instead of just trying to jump in. I thought I was seeing everything, but in reality, I wasn't really thinking in clarity. I was really just thinking, okay, I didn't trade all this week. Um, let's see if I can make something shake. And that was my mindset coming into today. I should not have done that at all. Like I know, and I've done it multiple times to just sit down, not wait for anything, sit on my hands, be on my phone, look to see what's given to me. If I get something, I take it. I ended up winning, or I get break even, as you guys see on the previous channels. If I take something and it's good, I ended up getting stopped out, but price ends up going in my direction. That's just me that's just me jumping in early. And if I see something that I'm rushing, ended up losing, and then my mistakes are as literal clear as day. So continuing on, we literally did not break structure at all until 10 freaking 40, which was honestly pretty sad. Coming to see, let's just take all these drawings out actually. Okay. Okay, right here. We did not break structure until 10:40, which was honestly pretty sad. And then from there, we ended up making a crazy reversal back up, which was honestly my fault. I thought we were gonna want to fill in this 5 minute gap right here, and then continue to see bearish downpull. We ended up invalidating this bearish gap, continue breaking, shifting our whole market structure again into the upside. Then that was just on the 5 minute. However, my mistake came on the 15 minute where we just did not break structure at all. On the 15 minute, the 15 minute was just really honestly just heavy pullbacks, like massive heavy pullbacks. Um, we had this 5 minute 15 minute imbalance right here. I wouldn't really say, I mean not imbalance, 15 minute order block right there. Ended up getting bullish pressure out. Honestly, looking at it now, this was mainly my fault. Not mainly, but all my fault. Today was clearly bullish, but I really wanted to see. Not even really. Let me get that word out of my mind, or else that's gonna make me just keep mirroring my bias. But I was coming into wanting to see data lows get taken out, then maybe London lows. I would have stopped that break even, but yeah, today was obviously clearly bullish after looking at the daily, seeing that we're gonna want to take out this high to create new all-time highs, and that was honestly my fault for not looking at the daily, and that was my fault for not seeing what price wanted to do. My whole mindset coming in was we were just mainly overbought. I wanted to see prices dip back down, and yeah, that is pretty much it coming into today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next week. I'm definitely gonna study a lot today. I'm gonna try to read. I wanna have this reading habit going on. I've been also making videos consistently on my TikTok, literally gaining one follow every trade. Pause, not trade. Every viewer, one follower, every new video. So I'm uploading consistent, having a 30-day challenge there. If you guys want to go see, it'd be tiktok.com/he's-on-trades. Trying to grow a community. Love you guys there. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday if you take a trade. Literally next week should honestly be pretty free bands. Okay, not free bands, you know what I mean. But it should be okay, bro. Like hello. It honestly is looking very ideal to trade on next week. But yeah, catch you guys Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever I take a trade. I might upload a different type of video to my YouTube this week. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys. I'm out. Peace.